Annabelle Meisel here from Kamalifestyles.com. Today I'll be talking about how to make her feel sexually attracted. You can be with a woman for several months or so, but she is not sexually attracted to you. The fact that we are having sex does not mean that I'm sexually attracted to you. I can be sexually attracted to a guy I've never slept with. Sexual attraction is one of the secret pillars that makes relationships strong and interesting. It is one of my things that will make me go out of my way to please a guy in bed. I will teach you smooth techniques on how to make a woman feel sexually attracted to you. Make her feel girly. Let's go back in time when love and relationships were worth dying for. Men were out to treat their women like their lives depended on it, and this increased the sexual attraction of their women. Making us feel feminine will make us want to be with you, and that is how the sexual attraction begins. It is the reason that you will get me in bed, wearing little lingerie and not a hideous t-shirt from the 17th century. There are endless possibilities on how to make a woman feel girly. Here are some of the examples you can use to make her feel feminine. Surprise her with a romantic dinner, or even better, try and cook her a meal at home. Flirt with her publicly to make her feel shy. Compliment her on the physical features that make her look girly. Show her your weak side. Put the battle of the sexes aside if you want to make her feel sexually attracted to you. We are more emotional than men, and most of the time we put our guard up because we don't want to get hurt. When a woman has a guard on, it makes it very difficult for you to make her sexually attracted to you, so you need to bring it down. Opening up and showing her your weak side with sincere emotions will make it easy for her to connect with you, and at an emotional level. The reason makeup sex is always amazing is that there is an emotional connection at that moment. The trick is that you need to show her that you are emotionally but not needy or clingy. It's a big turn off when we start behaving like your mother rather than your lovers. Use the power of touch. Women are sexually attracted to men who can turn them on at any time. If the sex is amazing, then you are guaranteed that I will be sexually attracted to you. If you have not had sex yet, then don't worry, because there are other ways of getting her sexually attracted. Smooth and brief touches on her sensitive areas of the neck region, thigh, chin, or the back of her ear are flirtatious touches that turn her on. The best way in making sure she is comfortable with the touches and initiating it unexpectedly. Soft eye contact when doing this might just send a series of pleasure waves to us. Treat her like a beast, hold her like a butterfly. Men think that it's impossible to understand us, but the men who know the trick have the best in life. Every woman has a wild side and the fragile side, and you have to know how to tap into each of those sides. The reason why she likes you but she is not sexually attracted to you is because you are too safe. You're not ready to explore her secret and dirty desires. Don't be afraid of getting dirty with her. Tap into her wild side and poke the animalistic desires in her. Creating sexual tension is a great way of unleashing the beast in us. You also have to put in mind that you are not dealing with a fellow guy. We are sensitive, and sometimes the tiniest things hurt us big time. Be sensitive to her feeling, treat her like she is the only girl for you. Once you find the balance of how you handle both her sides, there is no limiting her sexual desire and attraction for you. That's all for today, gents. If you want to contact me about the services we offer, please send an email on info@kamalifestyles.com. Gents, please hit that like button now, share, comment and subscribe. I'm Annabelle Meisel, and see you all soon.